So when you are converting from one unit to the next, you are simply asking yourself, what is the conversion factor? Because the conversion factor is the answer to how many of the smaller unit goes into the bigger unit. In this case, we've got centimetres here and we've got metres here. So how many centimetres in a metre? Well, there is 100. So our conversion unit factor is 100. And then we kind of ask ourselves, okay, are we going to times by 100 or are we going to divide by 100? Well, we're going from centimetres, which is the smaller unit, to metres, which is a bigger unit. So there's going to be less. If it's going to be less, we divide. If it was going to be more, we would times. So in this case, we divide. So we take our 1,000 and we divide it by 100, because that's our conversion factor, which is going to give us an answer of 10. Because remember, if you're dividing by 100, you literally move your number 2 columns to the right when looking at it in a place value chart. So that's going to give us an answer of 10. Okay, if we look at the second one here, what is 3,000 centimetres in millimetres? So this time we're going from a bigger unit to a smaller unit. The same questions apply. How many of the smaller unit go into it? How many millimetres in a centimetre? Well, there are 10. So our conversion factor is 10. We then ask ourselves the same question. Are we timesing by 10? Or are we dividing by 10? Is our answer going to get bigger or is it going to get smaller? In this case, it's going to get bigger because we're going from the bigger unit, which is centimetres, to the smaller unit, which is millimetres. So there's going to be more of them. So we times by 10. So we take our original number, 3,000, and we times it by 10. And obviously, you're just really adding an extra zero. So you end up with 30,000. Although in real terms, you are moving those numbers one place to the left on your place value chart, filling in the gap with a zero, which is why we get 30,000 millimetres as our answer.